This is probably the most best custom, not custom, best fan game of Gorilla Tag. Let me show you why. They have a mirror. They have cosmetics. Not only just cosmetics, mods, and just a normal wardrobe. They have these cosmetics over here. They have these Minecraft Castle beginning block, and that's only it. We have this. I'm not gonna put that on. You could actually go into a code. You could actually go in codes. A custom stump map fingerprint right there. They have working lobbies. See, they have working lobbies. And then if you go over here to city, you could buy a fake stick, some cosmetics. Those are over there. There's some cosmetics over here too. There's a custom thing over there. And you have to make a video so you can get the finger painter. I want to get the finger painter. Please.